What is up, guys? It is the 11th of December. Welcome back to another video. My name is Steven Womack, and today, once again, I want to edit one of your pictures that you've sent me. As I said, until the 24th, I will be editing one of your pictures every day. So if you want me to edit one of yours, feel free to DM it to me on Instagram. @StevenWomack is my handle. And maybe this next video is gonna be about you. So also make sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell to not miss out on that video or any future video that I have planned. Now, thanks so much for tuning in. Also, thank you so much for being a part of this and letting us hit 100,000 subscribers on this channel. That's absolutely crazy to me. I really want to give something back as a thank you. So if you have any ideas for a giveaway or any other thing that I could do for you, feel free to comment under this video or let me know as well on Instagram as a DM. Now today we want to be taking a look at this picture right here. It was a highly requested picture from you guys. It's a Tyga picture that he posted on his Instagram, and I want to show you how to create your picture to make it look like this Tyga picture. We're only going to use, once again, the free Lightroom app. Harsha, you sent me this picture right here. I really love it, and I think it's the perfect base for this Tyga edit. So thanks so much for sending that in. I hope you like what we're gonna do to this today. And this is the picture that you sent me right here. And I really like the way you didn't blow out the highlights and you really created that atmosphere around the picture, put yourself in the center, made it look really natural. And this right here is the edit that we're gonna do. And as you can already see, the colors come super close to that really orange, warm, desaturated, but really high contrast look that we have in Tyga's picture. Now, I hope you like this idea. And of course, I've also created a preset on exactly this Tyga look. It's now on my website. The link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 100 presets that you can just easily paste to every one of your pictures to make them look great. And the cool thing about that pack is that once you buy it, you will be getting new presets every week, at the moment every day. So every time I create new presets, they're automatically in the pack. So it's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Now, I've said enough. Let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing you want to do, of course, is open your picture in the free Lightroom app. In this case, Harsha, we're going to open your picture in Lightroom right now. Now you can already see, if we hit light right here, go to curve on the upper right side, that I've created this curve right here. So I pulled up the shadows on the bottom left to make them blow out a little bit, and then created that smooth S curve towards the highlight on the upper right side. Now just copy this curve exactly as it is right here. Maybe take a screenshot and really get as close to this curve as possible. And once you have this, we're done here. And now we just want to boost up the contrast to around +23. We want to boost up the highlights as well to +12 right here. Boost up the whites to +4 in this case, really slightly. And the blacks we want to pull down a little bit to around -13 right here, just to enhance the contrast. Then we go over to color, and here we just want to boost the temperature to +10 in this case. And we want to boost up the vibrance to +8 right here, and pull down the saturation all the way to -31 right here. Then we scroll up, hit grading, and now for the shadows right here, we want to pull them towards a green hue of around 101, and a saturation, in this case, at around 36 should be perfect. So it's 102 and 37 for the shadows, that green tone, perfect. We go to the midtones. Here we want to pull the hue over to that orange area to a hue of around 29 right here, and a saturation of around 46 is good. So it's 28, 46 for the midtones. That is perfect. We go over to the highlights, and now here we want to choose a hue of around 30 right there, and a saturation of around 32. That's close enough. 28, 31, and it brings that orange, almost yellow tone to the highlights. That's what we want, and we're done here. You can see the floor now kind of has that yellow, orange, almost kind of purple tint to it, and that is really what we're going for. Now the next thing we do is go to color mix right here, and for the red tones we don't want to change anything, but for the orange tones right here we want to boost up the saturation all the way back up to +72 right here, brings the skin tones back. Now the yellow tones, what you want to do, pull down the hue to -37 or 36 right here. It will, in the background, make the trees a little more orange. Now we want to boost up the saturation to +32 right here, and we're gonna pull down the luminance all the way to -63 in this case, to just darken those trees in the background. Then we go to the green tones, and here again we want to pull the hue over to around -76 right here, just to make the trees in the background even more orange, kind of pull the green out of it. And then we boost up the saturation to around +34, and we go over to the aqua tones, not changing anything, right over to the blue tones right here. And now we just want to pull the color out of the sky, so we pull down the saturation to around -74 right here, and then we're done here. We go over to the effects tab, and now we just want to add some texture to around +24. Then we want to add clarity to +14, and of course we want to dehaze as well to +24 right here to make everything look super crispy and really clear. And now the last thing we want to do is just add a little bit of grain. We boost that up to around 22 right here, and that's it. And this is it, guys. Here's a little before and after. And Harsha, I hope you're happy with the edit that we did to your picture right there. Also, you guys who requested that taiga look, I hope this is close enough for you. Once again, we're only using the free Lightroom app and our smartphone. I think it's super cool how close we can get to that probably professionally shot and professionally edited picture of taiga. Now I've also created a preset on exactly this look. It's now on my website. The link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 100 presets. Most of you guys, as I said, already have the all presets pack, so you can start using this taiga featuring Harsha preset right now. The rest of you, I really recommend that all presets pack, because every time I create new presets, they're automatically updated. So you just have to buy it once and you'll get new presets every week, or at the moment even every day. So make sure to do that. And of course, this advent calendar that I'm doing is going on until Christmas Eve, until the 24th of December. So if you want me to edit one of your pictures, feel free to DM it to me on Instagram. @StevenWomack is my handle. And of course, if you have any other kind of questions or new ideas for new videos, always feel free to DM me there. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel as well. Hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. Till then, the only thing I can do is thank you so much for hitting those 100,000 subscribers, for supporting me on this channel, for making this so much fun for me. Thanks so much also for watching this video. And of course, I hope I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.